My name's Dwayne Fields, and I believe passionately in the power of the outdoors and its ability to bring people together.
Explore in the past has been so fruitful for me that I wanted to come back.
I've never been to Explore before, but it's been such like a recharging and refreshing event.
I'm at Explore to derive inspiration from the incredible number of wonderfully passionate, happy, fun, intelligent people that come here every single year to share experiences and help each other get into exploration.
It's an amazing group of people that come together at Explore. So many different backgrounds, different experiences.
I mean, we started off with a masterclass in how to run a collaborative project.
We continued our trip, ended up in Kemasoli. All the birds that were captured were measured, and we found about 160 species.
Explore really opened me up to connections and new projects that have advanced my filmmaking career.
The temperature is minus 54 degrees centigrade. See if I can make it fly. What do you reckon?
When I first went on an expedition, one of the biggest challenges I had was I didn't have anyone that I could call on. Now, if you go through the list of members here at the RGS, there is somebody they can connect you with who can help and support you.
We come from a biodiversity point of view, and here you have a plethora of other reasons to do exploration.
Not everyone here is a scientist, which I think is actually really important with kind of bringing people into the science world, but sharing the science world with the public and kind of that bridge.
Risk assessment and emergency plans. And the other leg is output and outreach.
Just 2 years ago, we were here in one of the interview rooms, very nervous about getting funding. So now that worked out, and we're here to present.
The beauty of research is actually being open to be surprised for what you're going to find.
Time after time, we have people that come to Explore that have never been on an expedition before, never done a field research project. They come, they get an idea, they get inspired, they meet people that help them out, and then they go off and do it. And they find that it is possible.